One of the few 3-bedroom options in a 55-plus community, the Regency in Santa Rita Ranch, with a loft, with a gorgeous finish. This is the Bledsoe by Toll Brothers, and we're going to do the walkthrough right now. So my name is Keith Duble, and I serve the greater Austin area, committed to bringing you educational, enlightening, and entertaining walkthroughs, and that's what we're going to do right now. So this plan is the Bledsoe by the Toll Brothers. They are a luxury builder nationwide. They're huge, and they do a killer job. They do a great job with homes. And this one is in the Regency community, which is the 55 and older community. The section inside Santa Rita Ranch was a multi-award-winning community. Now, just so you know, this plan does have quite a bit of upgrades that the builder put in there, like this built-in cabinet setup and all of the different types of patterns and so forth. It is definitely a lot of upgrades. The walls and all of the trim work and everything else. It's just know out of the gate, those are not going to come with the home, but they do make the house look outstanding. The Old Brothers knows what they're doing, and they want to hook you, and they did a great job on this one because it's gorgeous. So this is the bathroom. Excuse me, this is not clearly a bathroom. This is the kitchen. My apologies. I looked down at my notes, and that's what came out of my mouth. My apologies. So this is the kitchen. It's about 18 feet by 10 and a half feet. And it is a really, really good size. It's got a really good pantry here. Love all the finishes. There's different finishes that you can get. And by the way, on the exterior, there are 4 different finishes. This one is the modern farmhouse, which is the 3rd most expensive, coming in at about $478,000. But all of these options are under $482,000. Now, if you can go in there and put in some of your own finishes, that's great. You can definitely do that. And I mentioned this being one of the only 3-bedroom, 3 full baths home that one of the few, not only, but it's one of the few 3-bedroom, 2 stories that you'll get in a 55 and older community. Most 55 and older communities, they want, single stories, very, very common. 2 stories, not as common, but this one is great. It does do a great job executing the plan. The bonus upstairs is great, but this living room layout is very cool. This is a great, it's the great room. It's about 18 feet by 15 feet, and what a brilliant use of space. Now, I love, again, all the trim. The flooring is lovely. It's just really, really nice. So when you are going to head into this owner's bath, you're going to see the owner's bath. The primary bedroom suite is about 14 feet by 14 feet. And just FYI, they were doing a bunch of work outside, so we will not be going out back today. But I want to show you this primary bedroom. I love, so the tray ceiling, but they put that tic-tac-toe beams in the ceiling. My wife is amazing at the names of everything. She's probably got a name for that, but it's beautiful. It's the tic-tac-toe beams in the ceiling, and I want to show you this master bath, this owner's bath. It is lovely. I love the marble hexagon choices they put as the backsplash, and continued it on into the shower space with the seat there, and that wood finish cabinetry, beautifully done. And I want you guys to see this closet. It's remarkable. It's a very nice size. So lots to offer. Now, just real quick, I wanted to walk a little bit through Santa Rita Ranch. Now, I love those brass finishes, by the way, the brass hardware, that control nozzle in the shower head. Just gorgeous. I love brass. We actually have brass finishes in my house. My wife picked those, and they are beautiful. They patina, they age well. And some people like to keep them polished up and keep that nice finish. Not us. We like to have that patina, all the wear from the water droplets and everything else, touching it, kind of like, patina's the material. It's very cool. So we're going to head upstairs into this bonus space. I wanted to talk real quick, actually the laundry, but I wanted to talk real quick about Santa Rita. So the 55 and older community has got its own set. I think they're putting $4 to $5 million worth of amenities in the 55, the Regency section. And I love this. Look at this awesome bath. Those hexagon tiles, this storage space in there, cabinets, uppers and lowers. It's very nice. And the mudroom, the drop zone, whatever you want to call that. Very cool. So the Santa Rita Ranch community is a multi-award-winning community. It is just chock full of awards. They've got almost $20 million in amenities all the way around the community. And then inside that 20, you've got probably designated $4 to $5 million in amenities just in the Regency section, which is where this is, owned by Toll Brothers. And my goodness, you just have no shortage. It's all resort style amenities with pools, slides, huge slides, resort amusement park rated slides. They're huge. There's pickleball coming. There's 3 or 4 different sections. There's the hub. There's homestead. There's the green, there's the ranch house, there's all kinds. And so click the link above. I put the video up here and you can see all of the incredible amenities. I did 3 videos on that. So just getting back to this house, we're going upstairs. Those wood top stairs are very lovely. And then that transitional space up here into this loft area. Excellent for playing cards, or just kind of like if you have grandkids or family and you just want to kind of let them have their own space, they can just go upstairs for the holiday, your adults downstairs, kids up, or whatever it is you want to do. Have family come visit, friends stay with you. They've got their own space upstairs. It's kind of like a little apartment set up here. And you've got a very large room. This upstairs room is actually really big. I wrote down the size. It's actually 12 by 12, and it's got its own full bath, and that loft space up there is 20 by 11. So you've got a lot of space in this upstairs area, and the square footage on this entire plan is actually nice. It's about 2,367 square feet. So just so much space upstairs with the attic access, additional attic access above in the loft area upstairs. So again, if you're looking for that loft or a 3-bedroom, 2-story setup in a 55 or older, just hard to find. Really hard to find. There's really only 355 and older as of right now in the greater Austin area. You got Vizcaya, which is in Round Rock, which is way out in Round Rock, past IKEA, past I-35, and that's quite a ways off the beaten path. You have Sun City, which is just up the road from here, maybe 20 minutes north of Liberty Hill. And then, of course, you have Regency at Santa Rita Ranch. There's not many more options for 55 and older in this part of Texas. So this is one of the most regal, one of the most beautiful, updated, and you'll see the differences. It's just stand alone. It's just very nice. So this is the Bledsoe. They were actually doing some work on the yard. So I captured all that front dirt for you. I was asked to take a look at this community because of requests, and I wanted to do that. So we got in here and did the walkthroughs. This is a lovely community. If you have questions or you'd like to see a community, let me know. Leave a comment. Do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe. Certainly appreciate you. Thank you for following me this, and we'll see you on the next one.